You and your friends will do a double take when you see our high-style dual shades in your windows. Our dual shades not only provide a view, but they offer privacy too. The gorgeous combination of opaque and sheer linear bands form a rolling panel, allowing the bands to align for diffused light in a view, or alternate to block light and achieve privacy for your most personal space. Dreamy, room-darkening dual shades are a perfect choice for bedrooms, and the designer color palette of translucent styles bring every room in your home to life. Our certified Best for Kids motorized options let you operate dual shades at the touch of a button, by remote control, or a pull of a cord. Convenient operation and contemporary styling. Now that's a match made in heaven.